We're here at the Keystone Inn and Suites here in Indy. This actually used to be the Hyatt Place. And we got here some Westinghouse RTs. Let's go to 6. This whole entire panel is a swing panel. This is so weird. It's definitely Westy. Look at all those buttons. This is definitely Westinghouse. Don't feel like this is Schindler. That phone box is lovely. Let's go back up to 6 actually. That's a replacement door close button there. Look at all those buttons. We got a nice elevator cab with some thick boy handrails with a lovely phone box that will not shut. Very odd. Yeah. This is a really interesting place. So this actually used to be the Hyatt Place up till pretty recently. Look at all those buttons. Take a closer look at these buttons here. RT. Oh, and this panel, yes, it is actually a swing panel. So this thing literally is a big piece of metal. But yeah, we're gonna send you up to 6 here. Yeah, this is like a big piece of metal here. There goes this one. Yeah, this is a really interesting place. I guess that is going to be it for me.